Welcome to the Introduction to Brooks Expert Support Tool software. The topic we will cover is reloading a dump file. Reloading a dump file restores your device to an exact configuration captured in that file. This is helpful if you've made an accidental change, if a recent change didn't work as expected, or if you simply want to revert to a known working configuration. The first thing you want to do is go to the Device Config menu and select Dump File. Once in the screen, go to the Load File section and press Select. Here you'll navigate to the saved dump file that's stored on disk. Once you have selected the file, you will press the Open button and then press Load. You'll be prompted with a few warnings to make sure you're not accidentally restoring a configuration. Once you've answered yes to all the warnings, this process can take a minute or two based on the device that you're connected to. Now, once completed, BEST recommends that you disconnect the device from the software and reconnect. Your device should now be restored to the configuration that was stored in your dump file. We hope you found this helpful, and thanks for tuning in.